Hi, this is another video on calculating the area of a triangle when the perpendicular height is not given. If we look at the following example, we've got triangle DEF where DF is given as 7 centimeters, FE is given as 9 centimeters, and the area of the triangle DEF is given as 28 square centimeters, and they're asking you to find angle DFE. DFE. So this is the angle that is asked. All right. In number 1, we see that we do not have the perpendicular height. So therefore, we know we must use the area where we have half, then the two sides, and the included angle. That is how I remember this formula. Okay, and then we start by first looking at what is given, right? We've got side E as 7, we've got side D as 9. The triangle is DEF, so my formula is area equals a half. The two sides are D and E, and the included angle is F, so it is sin F. Okay, that means that's how you have chosen the correct formula, right? We have chosen the correct formula. In step 2, we're going to substitute. So instead of area, we have got the 28. So we will actually write the 28 in the place of area. We have a half. Then instead of A, we've got 7. Instead of D, we've got 9. And sin F, F is the question mark. That is the one that needs to be calculated. All right, so then we do Goros OO. This whole lot is taken over, which is 31.5. And then remember, to get F, we're going to use second function or shift on our calculators, sin, and that gives me 62.7339 degrees. So the sin of F, or the F, the angle F, gives me 62.7 degrees. Now, really important, from the cast diagram, we know that sin is positive in the first as well as the second quadrant. So we already got the angle for the first quadrant, but people, for the second quadrant, we still have to calculate that. And remember, that is 180 minus 40. Okay, so 180 minus the 62.73, and that gives me 117.3 degrees, which means if the area of this triangle is 28 square centimeters, I've got two possible triangles that could give me that answer. The one triangle is where my angle F is 62.7 degrees, and the other triangle is where my angle F is 117.3 degrees. So I go back to what is being asked. Here in this case, an angle is being asked. You have to choose your formulas, people. Remember, if the 90-degree height is not given, then you must use the area with the half of two sides included angle. Area is half of the two sides with the included angle. This is the one that I want you to remember, because the formula you then